All right, take two since my all tail wasn't working. All right, so this is going to this is passenger side CV axle that goes to a 2006 Lexus is250. Now this axle is nearly impossible to get out without um, banging the crap out of it. So what you're gonna have to do, being that the slide hammer was not effective at all, heat barely worked. I'm not sure if it helped or not, but it's definitely a resource. You're gonna once you get the spindle off, separate the shaft from the yoke. All right, so this is the only thing that's going to be exposed into the oil pan of the vehicle, being that the carrier bearing rests inside the oil pan and goes straight through to the transfer case. So once you get this exposed, try your best to clean the surfaces with penetrating oil. Get the rust off with the wire brush. You can try heat, see if that'll help. Um, you try to utilize your resources, but I will tell you the pull hammer was very ineffective, being that it didn't apply enough force. What I did, I got under it and took 15 minutes to beat the crap out of it with a 5-pound hammer. It got to the point where I finally got the sleeve. It's a collar that's inserted inside of that pan also, and it started to come out with the drive shaft. So once it starts to come out, of course, just just extract the whole thing. Of course, the drive shaft once you achieve that goal. This is cut only because that collar was on there. Now you want to press the collar out only because it goes in one way, so um, you can't press it out this way because it's only going in the way it's inserted, because it has a reset. It does have a recess in it where it sits. Um, so once you get this separated, I found a bearing, an old bearing that was pressed in. It fits perfect. It was the same size as that collar. Slid it on top and beat the other end of the drive shaft out, and it slid the collar off, no problem. It took like 1 minute. All right, clean the collar up, clean the inside, insert it back in. Now it does have to go in this particular spot because it does have a bolt that helps retain the carrier bearing, ensure that the drive shaft stays, the CV axle stays in. So clean everything back up, insert that sleeve back in there like it's supposed to. Uh, be sure to use anti-seize if possible to ensure that you won't have any problems getting that back out in the future, and carry on with the repair. But I will say there's a lot of things that you can try to implement that will be non-resourceful. But yes, it took several minutes to knock this out with the fork. It was a fork that was for a tie rod in, and a hammer. It was only because I was able to get more surface area on the screwdriver that I was using here, uh, and the hammer wasn't working, but I was able to get a lot more surface area and apply more manual force on it, including the hammer. They'd be able to get it out, but it's gonna take a while. Just keep at it, and hopefully it'll eventually come. And if you have to use a larger hammer, go for it. But as strong as I am, I didn't manage to, I didn't damage the housing of it, so I was able to keep a good downward force on it. So, but good luck with it. This was for a 2006 Lexus is250 four wheel drive, and this was the front passenger side CV axle. This I'm just providing information for. So, all right.